Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make the chicken seekh kebab from the chicken breast and make the ground chicken at home. And this is very healthy because it's fat free. Outside in the chicken seekh kebab, the people add a lot of meat fat or the chicken fat, but this is fat free and very healthy, and you can make this in the oven and the air fryer. At the end I will show you how to make kathi roll from this chicken kebabs. To make a chicken seekh kebab, we need 4 chicken breasts cut into a small pieces. So I'm going to make a ground chicken or keema in a food processor. Add the chicken pieces into the food processor and run it for a few seconds. And this is how you can make a chicken keema or ground chicken at home from the chicken breast, which is very healthy without any fat, meat fat or the chicken fat into it. For the veggies, we need 1 onion, and this is a magic ingredients. The bell pepper, in India it's known as capsicum, some green chilies, ginger, and some garlic cloves, 2 to 3. So we are going to grind this all veggies together in the same food processor where we made keema, chicken keema or the ground chicken. So cut the onions into a small pieces, add the capsicum into it, add the green chilies as per your taste, 2 to 3. I'm using a big green chilies which is not so spicy, so I'm adding 2, some ginger and 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Grind all the veggies together for 30 seconds to 40 seconds in the food processor. Once done, it looked like this. Now we are going to add this all veggies into a ground chicken. Then add 1 egg. Egg helps in the binding of the seekh kebab. Then add salt to taste. I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt in a 4 chicken breast. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, or cumin also known as zeera. 2 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Then add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. It also helps in the binding of the chicken seekh kebab. Add 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder, amchur powder. This is totally optional. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using canola oil. Now mix all the ingredients together. Give a quite good mix so that all the veggies, the masalas and the ground chicken mix together very well. Once done, now is the time to making chicken seekh kebabs. In this chicken seekh kebabs, I am not using a skewers. I am just making a shape of the seekh kebabs on my hand palms and placing onto a baking dish as shown. Similarly, make all the chicken kebabs on your hand palms and place into the baking dish. This is how you can make the chicken kebabs in your oven. And in the later video, I will show you how to make it in a air fryer. So please keep on watching this video till end. I will also show you how to make kathi roll out of this chicken seekh kebabs. Once all the kebabs are ready, now we are going to bake it at 325 Fahrenheit in a preheated oven. We will cook for 25 minutes. Once baking is done, now we need to broil the chicken kebabs to make it brown from the top. So first we will give a little time, then we will flip the kebabs and cook on the both sides. Wow, our kebabs are cooked very well and it looks very yummy, and it's give different and very good taste, and the capsicum in these kebabs give the aroma to this chicken kebabs and very good in taste. So you can eat this kebab as your snacks. And later in this video I will show you how to make kathi roll out of these kebabs from the naans. Now to make the kebabs in the air fryer, it is very important to grease the air fryer with a little oil so that the kebab should not stick on the bottom of the air fryer. Then similarly take the oil on your hand palms, give the shape of the kebabs, seekh kebabs, and then place into the air fryer. You can also make a patty out of this ground chicken, and you can use this patty in your burgers as well. So this is how you can make a patty and cook in an air fryer. So we are going to cook it at 360 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. You can read the signs on your air fryer that how much time takes to cook the chicken. So this is I'm showing you in the middle that how it's cooked. After 10 minutes we are going to flip the kebabs to cook from the another side. This is how is the final look of the kebabs in the air fryer. So you can cook both in an oven or in an air fryer the kebabs. These kebabs are very delicious. You can eat as your snack. And for the kathi roll, here you go. You can buy the naan from the market. You need not to be cook at home, but you can buy it from outside and then cook on the pan by applying the oil on the both sides. This is the easiest way to make a kathi roll at home from the ready-made naan. So once the naan is cooked very well on both sides, then place a chicken seekh kebab onto the naan. Then place a mint chutney on this. This is a homemade mint chutney where I made it from the fresh mint leaves, onions, lemons. I will give you the recipe. You can just let me know in the comment section if you would like to see the recipe of the mint chutney. Then add some onions and the lettuce onto it, and then some ketchup on the top. Roll it, and our kathi roll is ready to eat, which is very good in taste because of our ingredients of the chicken seekh kebab. Try this recipe at your home and let me know in the comment section how you like it. And if you need the recipe of the mint chutney or how to make a naan, let me know as well. I will make a video of that. If you like the content of my videos, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos.